getting that moaning sound again coming from the, I guess, pulleys or the blocks that control the rudder arm. So I'm gonna have to get back in there and lube it up again, see if I can make it go away.
Tight spot.
Tight spot. And with the waves coming aft, yeah. Hope I don't get wet.
Making the rounds, daily inspection of all the gear.
About 9 o'clock. Nikki went to bed at about an hour and a half ago. We got Nikki's yummy cookies, decaf, vanilla, the lovely vanilla decaf tea. I forgot what it's called, but it's so good. And a book, I'm listening to Lost City of Z. I'm about 5 chapters in. It's all about like the Amazon and Ecuador and finding this hidden city. So it's super fascinating. It makes passage pass by pretty quickly. Nikki's sleeping and I'll be here for 3 hours, 4 hours maybe. I'm trying to go for 11 or 12 if I can. If not, if I get too tired, I'll just go down and wake her up. That's kind of the schedule we've got going on. Do it until you can.
Our daily rainbow. Two lepers cross an ocean.
Bad joke. Bad joke. Let's change of plans. We have, I guess,
two things drawing, three things drawing us to Tahiti.
Well, first one is the current weather conditions. With 20 plus knots of wind and seas at 2 to 3 meters or 6 to 9 feet. It's not really optimal atoll weather.
But hey, we're going to Tahiti, and you can't complain about that.
No. But yeah, it's just kind of like, oh, I guess I'm just picking one beautiful place for another beautiful place. It's not exactly a bummer by any stretch.
Especially because we have the year-long stay visa, we know we can come back.
Yeah.
So it doesn't feel like we're missing out. It just feels like, I wanted to taste. Now I just gotta wait.
Yeah, it's just okay.
And the other things drawing us to Tahiti, Wi-Fi, litter, litter, litter.
But more than that,
leper.
Leper, yes. So I am, this is basically like day 5.5 from whenever I saw the doctor in the Marquesas, and sadly I am not improving any. It kind of feels like more of the same. And she said if you're not any better within 5 days, you need to go see a dermatologist in Tahiti. And I think I'm going to follow up with that advice because, well, it just keeps spreading and it's highly irritating, and I I don't want to be a leper. And sun exposure is supposed to make it worse, which means it's not good to be outside. Yeah, it's bad all the way around.
So,
Tahiti!
Tahiti we come!
Yep.
To Tahiti we come?
To Tahiti we go?
To Tahiti we go. Big atoll right there. Just can't even see it. It's amazing.
Can you see it?
Yep. I can see the atoll. It goes all the way. It's almost impossible to see just with your naked eyes. But with our fancy $30 binoculars, we can see it. Crazy cat. What's going on in here? It smells divine.
I don't know that there's anything divine yet, but a little more time maybe. I am mucking about with French butter cookie recipes, and I'm doing chocolate, coconut, and then just regular vanilla. And so far it's not going so well. So I'm tweaking the recipe and it's slowly getting better. But I'm not there yet. So I have some very flat and sad chocolate ones, some mediocre coconut ones, and some also very sad vanilla ones. I think round 3 is going to be better. You don't get it right every time.
I don't know how you do this while we're underway.
Well, it's gotten a little bit better.
Chef d'Ocean. Can I taste one?
They're pretty hot, but yeah, you can. Talk about a change in weather. The seas have calmed down. We've got nice like 1 to 2 meter waves. Winds only 12 to 15 knots. It's kind of perfect. Really tempting to want to say like, oh, it's calmed down, we should go to an atoll, because right by 2 we can easily meander about and go in the morning, but I still think going to Tahiti is the right decision and that we should head straight there, considering that my face is now swollen and my body hurts. That it's an allergic reaction to this rash, to this whatever the heck I got myself into in the Marquesas is kind of driving me crazy. And yeah, it's been a long stint now of having this, so I think going to a doctor is probably a very solid idea. Anyway, it's a beautiful night. The moon is out. There's like just a few clouds in the sky to make it nice and moody. The sea is just beautiful, and the motion of the boat is just so steady. This is like time sailing. This is like my favorite. It was fantastic.
One massive wall of rain. Oh man. Jeez. All the way around. I had to take down the Genoa, kick on an engine, lost all of our wind. It started coming right behind us. It's like 7 in the morning. Who needs coffee? Here it comes.
And we do not have any wind. We have a whopping 3.5 to 5 knots, but we were sick of motoring. So we put up the Spinnaker and it is flopping around a little sad.
We haven't had wind since that damn squall this morning.
I know, but it's been a beautiful day, so it's really hard to, complain. Let's see here. Oh, there is supposed to be wind predicted starting around 5 o'clock. It is 4:53. So we are really counting on that wind picking up.
Yeah. We also have to worry about timing because getting into Tahiti, we have to arrive before dark. Otherwise, we're going to be stuck out in the ocean for another night.
Yeah, just bobbing around, waiting.
So we'll give this a shot for an hour or two, and then...
If our wind doesn't pick up, then we'll snuff it and go back to motoring, but...
What does Kent call it? Iron wind?
Iron.
Go back to the iron wind.
Mechanically generated. Fly, little Spinnaker, fly. Best seat in the house.
Tell me about it. There might not be much wind, but this is just super chill. Super chill downwind. Love it. I love it! This is my favorite. If it could be like this every day, you'd never hear me complain. Okay. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to freak out.
I'll leave you to it.
Okay. We just need a cocktail.
I can work on that.
Come on, bud.
miles, man. 60 miles left in the damn wind. It makes me want to pull my hair out. It's 5 to 7 knots still. That's the moon about to set. Alright guys, check this out. Orlando! Woohoo! I see Tahiti! Should be there in a couple hours. And look at that blue water. Man.
Tahiti! How surreal!
Right?
Yeah, I always thought of like Tahiti is like
This place I would probably never visit.
go to. Yeah,
I
because
don't
it's
know
so
why.
far out here. Yeah, you just assume some beautiful tropical place in the middle of the ocean. Yeah,
And
never
it's-
thought I'd be here.
It's right there. That's so funny. I felt the same way.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, everybody knows Tahiti, but I thought I'll
Yeah.
probably never go.
But I think, you know, if you would have asked me even 5 years ago if I thought I'd ever go to Tahiti, I would have been like, I'd love to, but I don't know why. Yeah, so it feels a little surreal.
Okay, I'm gonna apologize in advance for this. Oh, we got a kite surfer out there. Le capitaine, c'est le voleur Curiosity demandait la permission d'entrer à Tahiti Bay. You thought my Spanish was bad.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounded more Spanish than it did French, I'll say that.
Port captain, port captain, port captain. This is sailing vessel Curiosity inbound, requesting permission to enter the port.
Yes, sir, Curiosity, all competent control. You may proceed.
Did you say we may enter? Over?
Yes, sir, you may enter. Are you going to Marina Papiti or to Taina?
Marina Papete.
Okay, copy that, no problem, you may proceed.
Merci. Curiosity to 16.
Okay, stand by. 1216.
Darn, I didn't get to use my French on him.
I know, yeah.
I'm so excited.
That's okay, I don't think they would have really appreciated it. It's pretty bad.
Oh,
You did a very good job. You
Yes.
tried.
Yes.
It'll get better.
yes.
Will maybe not be so offensive one day.
One day. Show off.
So exciting! The current really rips through here, and I was thinking I was gonna have all this confidence, like, oh, we're just gonna drop the dinghy and go into town, and now I'm like, maybe we should hang out for like half an hour.
Yeah, maybe a little longer than that. We got a lot of wind and current.
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case. Woo! There it is. 2 knot current, 15 knots of wind.
It's a big moment.
We have a lot to celebrate.
We do. All right. I'll try not to screw this up. We just celebrated our 12th wedding anniversary, which we really didn't celebrate, hence the shambong, and Jason's birthday.
Yep. And we didn't properly celebrate sailing or arriving to French Polynesia.
Well, we kind of did, but we didn't.
Sort of. Well,
I
you're
don't-
about to lose it. Oh my god.
Okay.
So which one are you taking? You just
I
took
don't
both
know.
out of my hand. She's double bonging it.
I'm so distracted. I'm tired too. Okay. All right. To French Polynesia.
Yes.
Love. Marriage. Adventure.
Sailing.
And birthdays.
And birthdays.
And life.
Is it okay to kiss before the toast?
Yeah.
Ooh, now I taste like chapstick. I know, not chapstick. Shit.
Lip balm.
Lip balm.
Chapsticks are great. Cheers.
Goes down so quick.
Rapid consumption. That is the point.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks everybody for being with us.
Yeah. One more for them?
Okay. Just a quick.
Perfect. That's good. That's
Oh, oh, sorry. I thought you were saying I'm perfect.
good. You're perfect too.
Okay, guys.
Cheers.
To you. Thanks for being a part of everything.
That's a sundowner. I'm still just drinking it instead of like chugging it.
That sunset is gorgeous.
This whole thing is beautiful.
That is the cleanest aluminum or steel boat I've ever seen in my life.
Right?
And I have to go over and tell that guy.
This boat is looking slick.
Yeah.